So what is one way that you can add more fun into your homeschooling? Well, I have one word for you. That would be Gameschooling. All right, so I have 4 different things that will help you be more consistent with adding game into your homeschooling, okay? So first of all, put those math games, the cards, the dice, whatever kind of math games you have, and put them in your morning time basket so that you're just constantly being reminded that they're there and you want to play with them, okay? Then pick 2 or 3 of your favorite games that you want to make sure you play with the kids during the week and put them by your kitchen table. So whenever you guys sit down to eat lunch, you are reminded and you pick up that game and you start playing it as a family, all right? Make sure you mix some fun, just pure silly games with educational ones so the kids will want to keep playing games with you, okay? And then put the games where you can see them, because if they are out of sight, they are out of mind, and you're not going to play and add any extra games to your schooling. And then make sure you don't forget about those old time, old school games, because they are the bomb. That's why they've been around for so long, because they're that good. So make sure you play Monopoly with your kids. Make sure you play Boggle and Scrabble and all of those old time favorites, because they really are that good. And then, yeah, go and get some of the newer, really fun games like Code Names and stuff like that. Don't forget about chess and Clue, oh my gosh, and Yahtzee. All of those really fun games that you can actually be doing vocabulary and spelling and math and money skills and all that kind of stuff, just playing games. And I like to use games as well to get to those subjects that, we hardly ever get to. So get your hands on some art games and music games. Yes, there are some tons of music games out there. And history games and geography games. And I even have games about the Constitution and election night. And just get games for those subjects and those topics that you want to get to, but sometimes you never have time to get to. Use games to supplement what you're already learning. Use games to reinforce some of the things that you're already learning. Sometimes we would just game school, and so we wouldn't do anything else but play games. And sometimes it would be a really bad day and math was not going anywhere, and so I would put the math stuff away, the math books away, and I would take out math games instead. And so you really can add a whole lot more fun to your homeschooling if you just add in some games.